on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. Things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the move on till I let go. That true passion shines and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes, you snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, move fast and climb a new class to find, yeah. Till I hear him say, I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never. I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I wanna taste the pain, I think I'm seeing all red. 2 bullets in the gun, what? Yeah, I got what it takes. Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks. Feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight. Never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play. Shot to the head, I need a blank space. Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down, man, I'd rather be dead. I'm making love to fame, and she look better in bed. And I'ma rock this like in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Till I take my last breath, I wanna make a change. I got one life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging, don't you forget. Everything is so boring. lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm going off, I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go. Down swinging, look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. Just need a win. I'm going off. I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go. My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking sh**. Yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. Foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want. You can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. To fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, I just wanna be
yes, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. Find me if you wanna hate, bitch. You know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me.
Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a look.
You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally lost. Well, I'll admit, that's why I'll make it to the top. Yeah, I commit, and no, I'm never getting lost. I get after it, investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any
Even got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No
crypto hits go, let me spend everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. Mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm
I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the men. Society's restraints, money, clout, and fame. A disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on this display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be.
No motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in myself.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from
You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, sex, drugs, cocaine.